Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. Before we get this one started, man, I just want to say Happy New Year's to each and every one of y'all. Honestly, the fact that you are watching me right now means the world to me. Thank you so much for even clicking that picture and just watching this video. It doesn't ever go unnoticed, and I just want to say that I appreciate each and every one of you guys. But today we're going to be talking about some sneaker releases. We got one leak from Supreme possibly, and the season just ended, so I'm gonna talk about that. But if you do end up enjoying this video, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Road to 20K this year. No bullshit, bro. 50K is in my vision. I want to reach 50,000 this year. It's gonna take a lot of work, but I'm honestly about to go so hard. So make sure you go ahead and show some love. So make sure you enter up in this. Go ahead and subscribe. Follow Nori.archives. The instructions will be in the Gleam link down below. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. So we're gonna start off with this possible Supreme and Bape collaboration. It's not confirmed, but there's rumors being said that in 2022 we're gonna see a Bape collab. And if you guys don't remember, Supreme has a Bape box logo that came out years ago. I'm talking about like 15 plus years ago. Those are worth over 2 to 3, 4,000 type shit at this point. So if they do a collab with Bape, that would be so sick. I feel like this shit would do numbers for two reasons. The fact that they're literally two streetwear giants, one. Two, Bape is kind of widely accessible, but it doesn't have like that twist like Supreme does sometimes. So I feel like if they both meet together and do some fire shit, it would help both of them out. That's just my opinion. But let me know what y'all think about the possible Bape collab. I think it's cool. If they do execute it well, I feel like it could be a banger. They have to subtly do it for it to look nice. Let's go ahead and get into some of the shoes that I have to talk about in this video, like the Red Thunder Jordan 4s. These are supposed to release a minute ago, and they honestly keep getting delayed. Y'all already know shipment delays are crazy, and I feel like it's a clean colorway. It's basically the same Thunder with the red instead of the yellow Red Thunder. You feel what I'm saying? These are hard though. Whenever these release, I'm definitely gonna try to get my hands on them. I'm trying to get my 4 game up there, and hey, this is a way to elevate it, so I'm gonna definitely need my hands on these. Will they have resale? Honestly, I do think so, simply because it's black and red. The Thunders are already a thing, so it's a twist to that, and I feel like this opens a floodgate of different colorways that Jordan is about to do with this right here. That's just my opinion on it, but these go hard. Next on the list, we got a sneaker that I actually have an early review out for, and it's the Jordan 1 Marina Blues. If you guys remember, I did have an early pair of those, and there's actually a review on the channel for those, but they're supposed to release on January 22nd. I feel like the sneaker is fire. It's almost like a Royal 3.0 in my opinion. We got the regular Royals, the Royal Toes, and then we got these right here. It's like a different tone of blue than the regular Royal, but I do think that it's a beautiful sneaker, and it stands alone. You know, it's that new pattern with the whole pollen vibe to it, but it's a fire iteration. I feel like the tone of blue is everything on that sneaker. This is one that I'm definitely gonna go for. There's another Jordan 1 slated to release on February 4th. I don't know if this is fully confirmed. Obviously, these dates could get shifted. They can move at any time, but it's this pair of varsity red Jordan 1s. It's basically red and white. It's like the storm blue Jordan 1s. If y'all know what I'm talking about, it's like an all blue and white Jordan 1, but with the red on this one. This shit is fire, bro. Another sick ass colorway for Jordan 1s. I feel like they're not missing with these two so far. There's a banger Jordan releasing on February 19th, and it's the Playoff 12s. If you know me, you know that I love Jordan 12s. It's honestly one of my favorite silhouettes from Jordan brand, and the Playoffs is one of those. I love the taxis. The new bucks are hard. The flints. There's a lot of Jordan 12s that go so hard. Cherries, bro. Let's not even talk about the cherries. There's a pair of Jordan 3 Cardinals set to release for February 22nd. These look alright, but I don't know if I need these in my collection. I would much rather have a fire red or one of the OG colorways. They're not a bad colorway by any means. I love the fact that the elephant print is on there. It got like that same OG feeling to it, if it makes sense. But I don't know what else to say about these right here. They cool. They alright. February 22nd. Infrared 23 Jordan 4s. It's basically like the Fear Pack Jordan 4s that released in 2013. 14, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is basically that same shit with the multiple tones of gray. I love the fact that they use the red on the inside of the tongue, then the little hits around the sneaker ties it together. This one's definitely on my radar for this year, and if resale isn't bad, it's one that I would love to get my hands on. I love the Fear Pack Jordan 4s, but at this point those are a little bit more harder to find. They're kind of like a like a diamond in the rough, if that makes sense, because a lot of the pairs that I have found are beat and they're either like $300-400. Feel me? I'm not trying to do that. There's better Jordan 4s in my opinion, and this one is just a nice alternative to that if that is a sneaker that you did like from the past. So I wanted to talk to you guys about Addict 3.0. It's the best bot to secure releases from sneakers to Yeezy. It boosts your chances at picking up any item that you want, and the thing is, they rarely restock. So I do suggest you guys to sign up at addict.io. It will be linked at the top of the description for your best chance at copying these items. Now I'm gonna run through some of the features real quick. They offer monitors, meaning you can monitor items from Dunks, Yeezys, PS5s, Jordans, and so much more. They have the raffles tab, so obviously you can enter all the hyped raffles. They have links for them and all that. With the 3.0 release, they updated the bot module, so you can purchase from over 100 different sites, including sneakers, Supreme, Bape, Kit, honestly any hyped store you can think of, ensuring that you never miss these releases and maximize your potential profit. Addict honestly had a bunch of success this past year. There's been a lot of people cooking up, whether it was Tiffany box logos, sneakers, all that. Addict was actually able to hit. If you are able to secure Addict, you basically ensure access into their free cook group where they offer a bunch of information like low-key flips, free guides, all the release dates, keywords, and a bunch more. Don't forget to sign up on addict.io. It will be at the top of the description. It's $130 and you can also split it into 4 separate payments using Sezzle to make it easier for your pockets. There's no renewal fees, meaning that whenever you get Addict, it's yours forever. Any update that comes after that is free for life. But make sure you go ahead and check them out at the top of the description, and let's go ahead and get back into this video. So we basically covered some Jordan releases. Now I'm gonna talk about some Dunk releases because it only makes sense. We're living in a Dunk world and there's a lot of Dunks coming out on a weekly basis. Just is coming in rotation, so we might as well go ahead and talk about them here. We got the Union LA Dunks, which obviously I have to talk about. It's one of the more newer collaborations for the Dunks that honestly caught my attention, and I feel like this one's fire. They kind of give me off-white Jordan 5s with a little mesh lining to it. Rest in peace to Go Virgil one more time, but they almost give me this vibe. If you really look at the mesh netting on these, you can almost say that they got some inspiration off of this, but it's a standalone sneaker. It's gonna come in 3 different colorways. Hopefully I could find the pictures for all 3, but I know there's a baby blue, a purplish, and then there's this white and blue one, if I'm not mistaken, but they go hard. I'm honestly gonna try to go for these. What I like about Union is that when they do their drops, it's kind of like Year, where they care about the people. I know at this point it's a little bit too hyped for that shit, but hopefully we do get a good release. The Union Dunks go hard though. Y'all already know hype beasts are gonna be going crazy for these. I honestly like the fact that they didn't go with the thick tongue on these. To each his own. Let me know what y'all think about these. We got the Paisley pack Dunks. Honestly, these shits is kind of ass. I feel like it's the same shit that they've been doing, but they just added some Paisley to the swoosh and repackaged it for people who are gonna buy them regardless. I believe there's like 3 to 4 colors, and I must say I'm good on all them shits. The black pair is probably the best one, but I would just rather get the Panda Dunks than these shits right here. I don't really need the Paisleys. We good on the Paisley pack, you feel me? Let me know what y'all think about those. I know Dunk lovers are gonna love these bitches, but we good. So there's this new set of Dunks coming out with the vintage green, the vintage navy. What that basically means is that the outsole is yellowed. They have like that vintage feeling to them, and y'all already knew this shit was coming, bro. This shit was bound to come. Once they burn the Dunks out, they're gonna do something that people love to the Dunks to keep these bitches in rotation. Y'all know what's going on. There's gonna be a bunch of different colors with this aged vibe, and I must say, I'ma be honest, these bitches look fire, bro. They look hard as fuck. It looks like they're actually from 85 or 91 or whatever the fuck year they came out. It looks like they're from that time, so they look fire. Honestly, I'm gonna go for the navy ones or the green ones. The lows, bangers, bro. It's like a forest green with a like a creamy outsole. Pause. Fire. Need those for sure in my life. Like, those are bangers. I feel like it's a pair of Dunks that I'd pay resale for. So we're gonna talk about 2 more Dunks, then we're straight up out the building. One of them being the Harvest Moons, and these are like a women exclusive Dunk. I feel like women have been winning, bruh. Ever since Year put this shit on the map, but lately there's a lot of people focusing on women's as far as sneakers go, and I feel like it's almost like a gap where they need to fill it, bro, because it's mainly like a men's game and it's freaking weird. I feel like women should be getting a lot more spotlight in the whole sneaker game. So it's sick that a lot of the pairs that are bangers and I want in my collection half the time be women's sneakers, bro. Like shits be fire. But this is another one right here. This Dunk with the tannish and then like the brown. This shit is fire, bro. It almost looks like it has a cream outsole too. It looks like a sneaker that you would just wear with any outfit in the fall, in the spring, you feel me? Because it's a tan color, but it's not too dark. Definitely giving me Curry Dunk vibes. Those are probably one of my favorite Dunks, period. It's like the same shit, but with like a hairy suede. Beautiful sneaker. The Currys are going for like 500-600 at this point. These are gonna go for 2-3, and then they're gonna start going straight up. I feel like honestly I might pick these up. Now the last Dunk we're gonna talk about are the dark Marina blue Dunk lows. Honestly, the only reason I put this here is the fact that they're dropping the Marina blue Jordan 1s and they're doing the Dunks too, you feel me? They're not gonna sleep on the color. It's the same Marina blue, but on this one they got two different tones of the shit, so it looks a little bit too much. I feel like I'd go for these for retail. Honestly, I just thought about it. I probably wouldn't even do that because I already got these right here, the undefeated. So I don't really need this shoe right here. It's the same shit. Why would I buy it again? Honestly, I'd probably just sleep on these. Let me know what y'all think about them though. Dark Marina blues. And that was the last shoe for this video. If y'all did end up enjoying, go ahead and leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Don't forget to subscribe because we do have a giveaway going on for the Supreme playing cards, the beanie, and these 5-box logo stickers. One lucky winner. Make sure you click the link in the description. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.